Country of origin: China. Package dimensions: 9.92 L x 14.33 W x 6.06 H. Package weight: 7.0 pounds. Product type: home theater system or HTIB. These speakers are only compatible with Q900A, Q800A Q700A soundbars from Samsung. They will not work with non-Atmos soundbar systems from Samsung. Top reviews from United States. Each left and right speakers have its own power cable, unlike the older model. Each speaker connects to the soundbar wirelessly. The two speakers are not connected to each other, this way you can place them wherever you want with no limited distance between the two. Some people say their speakers aren't loud enough. You just have to push the settings button, the gear on the remote, and increase the rear speakers to +6. I just watched The Tomorrow War starring Chris Pratt on Amazon Prime. Bullets shooting, helicopter flying, aliens running. This surround sound system was amazing.